Welcome to our exclusive review of 2026's finest red light masks. Discover advanced skincare innovations and stay tuned until the end for a surprising expert recommendation that may transform your routine. Number 5. The Currentbody Q Rejuvelite Pro, a sleek LED mask promising glowing skin. It's lightweight, easy to wear, and offers multiple light settings targeting acne, fine lines, and dullness. The design feels futuristic yet comfortable, making skincare fun. Overall, it's a smart beauty gadget for radiant results. Number 4. The currentbody Face Mask Glow, a breakthrough in skincare technology. Red reduces wrinkles, red plus infrared boosts collagen, blue fights acne. 504 LEDs ensure a consistent, gentle treatment for all skin types. Choose preset cycles or individual therapies for personalized results. VibraWave adds soothing scalp relief with adjustable settings. Lightweight, hygienic design makes daily use effortless anywhere. Face Mask Glow blends science, comfort, and innovation. Skincare redefined. Number 3. The Shark cryoglow LED Mask, a futuristic skincare device promising radiant results. 6 minutes of red and infrared light help minimize fine lines and firm, sagging skin naturally. Blue, red, and infrared LEDs target acne, reducing redness for a clearer, more balanced complexion. Quick 4-minute sessions enhance radiance, maintaining healthy glow and preserving optimal skin condition daily. Adjustable cooling therapy tightens under eyes, soothing puffiness, with InstaChill Cold Technology's refreshing touch. Cryo-inspired cooling delivers visible tightening instantly, offering 3 chill levels for personalized comfort. Overall, Shark cryoglow combines LED innovation with cooling therapy, making skincare efficient, refreshing, and results-driven. Number 2. The Dr. Dennis Gross DRX Spectralite Facewear Pro, a hands-free LED mask promising radiant skin. This mask combines 100 red LEDs and 62 blue LEDs to target skin concerns, delivering a spa-like treatment at home. It helps refresh, smooth, and brighten skin, leaving you with a luminous glow. Plus, it's FSA and HSA eligible. Use a USB-A power source with the included USB-C cord. Avoid high-powered chargers to protect the battery. After cleansing, strap it on, hold the power button, choose red, blue, or both, and enjoy 3 minutes of treatment. Created by skincare expert Dr. Dennis Gross, this device blends science and convenience for radiant results. Number 1. The currentbody Skin LED Mask Series 2, a breakthrough in at-home skincare technology. It enhances collagen, reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and redness. Upgraded light coverage delivers a brighter, smoother complexion instantly. 236 bulbs emit red, near-infrared, and deep infrared wavelengths. Flexible silicone ensures maximum coverage and comfort for all faces. Each mask includes a Veritas NFC card for personalized results. This mask combines science, comfort, and innovation. Your skin will thank you.